Hello Glamettes, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video I'm going to be showing you some stylish clothing. If that sounds interesting, stay tuned. Please don't forget, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Alright Glamettes, let's get this video started. Alright you guys, now this piece is not the pants. I just put on some black neutral pants because I have about 4 shirts, and I do have a pair of capris in there as well. But and this shirt has some like lace design on the top coming across the shoulder, and it's in white. It's very soft, very comfortable. But this is piece 1. I'm gonna number the pieces and tell me which piece you like the best. But this is piece number 1, and we're going to do all the shirts first. But this is piece number 1, you guys. I like the softness of the pieces. But this is piece 1. This is shirt number 2, you guys. It is the same style as piece number 1 with the black lace. And I want to make sure I do a close-up for you to see the lace design. And I'm loving this as well. And I'm going to come back and I'm going to do the tights with this as well. And too, you guys, when you order through Eechic, make sure you always go to their size chart and look at that chart and make sure you order the appropriate size as well. There you guys, but they feel, I do like the softness of the pieces, but this is piece 2. This is shirt number 3. And as you can tell, it's the same style, but I wanted to do so you can see a similar piece, see the look with the white and the black, but they do have several ones that still got different designs on it, and I'm loving the blue. That's what it looks like. And again, the detailing coming off the shoulder. So that's shirt 3. This is piece number 4. I'm liking it, but it's okay. It's just not giving me the look that it had on the picture, because I looked at more suede and velvety, but it still feels good, and it is still a nice formal wear dress. And you know, with the lace sheared top, you know, you address this accordingly, but still not bad. And again, the feel of the clothes are exceptional. They have a vast array of purses, shoes, jewelry, accessories. They got a little bit of everything on Eechic. Make sure, once again, you do check out their website link. And I opted for a blue purse. I needed a blue purse for probably about 3 or 4 outfits that I already have. Just something that I'll carry on a date night or just a semi-formal event. And they also included a little teddy bear keychain in there as well. But just the straps. And you guys, the straps has a slide handle to get it up so you can carry the purse this way. And it also has Your makeup bag. It has a strap on the inside as well. And this would be like my phone or just other little emergency pieces in that. So it's a 3-piece set. And again, you have the strap here and here that we can attach to this bag and also this bag as well. And that is that blue purse. Alright, you guys, for piece 6, this is what it looks like on. And I'm actually liking it. It's given, and as you can see, we have the split. And the split comes up a little higher than I expected, so I will probably do a pin over what I can keep out personal. But again, overall, I am actually liking this outfit as well. You guys, and all of the material is very soft. It feels very good on your skin. It feels cooling. Yeah, I'm liking this, just with the exception of this. And I probably would add a thin pair of tights to dress it up or hem it down some. But overall, the dress is actually, to me, it's gorgeous. I don't know if the camera's showing you full detail, and on a couple nights out, you will get to see some dressed up with full accessories as well. Outfit number 7, you guys, another black dress for the sheer in the sleeves and on the top, and it is given as well. As well. Like I say, I will probably, and you can actually accessorize this with anything you can put to make this work. But I'm liking this, so drop me a comment if you're liking outfit number 7. We got 2 more to go, you guys, and the other 2 are rompers, but yeah. Alright, you guys, outfit number 7. It is a flare leg romper, as you can see here. Flare leg romper with the heels with this gold and cream. And guys, this is a gorgeous outfit. I'm going to do another angle so you can see here up top. But again, it's soft, it's very comfortable. Accessories, I would add me a belt in with it, with my cream heels and a cream bag. But outfit number 8 is actually given. I'm loving it. Again, lace up the top. I'm going to do a close up for you to see the top portion. Here's the top of it, you guys. Nice outfit. And again, this can be casual, semi-formal dressing. You can be, this is still an outfit for any occasion. We're loving it. I'm liking it as well. I like that it has a marble look to it. And again, all of their pieces feel extremely soft, so it actually feels good touching your skin. And I am truly loving the wide legs. So you can pair this with a real nice pair of heels, platform heels, or even boots as well. Alright, you guys, this is outfit number 9. As you can see on all of the rhinestones. Again, it feels so soft. I'm loving it. I don't have it zipped all the way, but I'm loving this piece. Again, a romper or jumpsuit. It's giving what we needed to give. Guys, the detailing on this is gorgeous. But make sure you rate which piece was your favorite, piece 1 through 9. I'm going to include them on the pieces as well. Thank you, Eechic, for reaching out to me to partner with y'all for this sponsored video. You guys, hit that link in the description box to go over and check out some stylish, affordable, and fabulous clothes on a budget as well. But thank you so much, everyone. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye, everyone. Stay blessed and always stay positive. And please don't forget, if you're not a part of the Glam Queen brand, please make sure you check out Glam Queen of DIY, Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, and Glam Queen Vlogs. We'll see you in another video.